The Oakworks travel block keeps you face down when you need to travel. The travel block comes with a square lap block with 2 holes at the top where the Quick Lock face rest is inserted. It uses the same Quick Lock face rest system as the seated or tabletop supports. Take your Quick Lock face rest with crescent face cushion or 3-pad system face rest and insert the 2 long legs of the Quick Lock into the 2 holes at the top of the travel block, as shown. While keeping face down when possible, sit in the back seat and always wear your seatbelt. Then simply place the travel block on your lap. Lean forward into the face rest and adjust the face rest using the cam locks on the side so that you are in a face down position. Adjust the Quick Lock face rest as you normally would with the other rented equipment. It may be more comfortable to wrap your arms around the block and pull it in closer to you, then lean forward into the face rest. Be sure to keep your eyes facing in a downward position. The travel block is great for traveling in the car to doctor's appointments and while sitting in waiting rooms when you are away from your other face down equipment.